Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to hard reset BlueAnt Pump Air Nano Earbuds. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, if you're looking for a way to reset your earbuds here, well in this case, there is something that you could try. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to put both your earbuds in the charging case, and also leave your charging case open because we'll need to access the earbuds inside. Now make sure that the indicator lights on both earbuds are solid, so make sure they are not blinking. Just make sure it's a solid light. Now solid light means that they're charging, which is something necessary in order for you to proceed with the reset. Now what you need to do is you want to simultaneously press and hold the button on the back of each earbuds for 10 seconds until both lights blink 3 times. Now this actually indicates that the reset is complete or has been completed. Now from then on, you could go ahead and take both your earbuds here out of the case and wait for about 10 seconds so they can resync with each other. Now after that, you can go and pair them with your device like new set of earbuds here. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Line Up. Thank you for watching.